This simulation demonstrates the integration of the NetSimulyzer 3D visualization tool with the buildings and mobility modules to create a realistic simulation environment. It features two distinct groups of mobile nodes, smartphones and land drones, moving independently within a bounded area defined by a light green rectangular marker in the 3D viewport. The scenario includes architectural complexity by placing a single-story building and a two-story building at opposite corners of the map to serve as physical obstacles. By utilizing the NetSimulyzer Orchestrator and NodeConfigurationHelper, the script assigns specific 3D models and motion trails to the nodes, while capturing real-time position and velocity data through a CourseChange trace callback that is recorded directly into synchronized event logs. We can run complex simulations and visualize the 2D and 3D network scenario under a Farion iPlayground.